What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Coaster Cafe. It is almost 6 in the morning. I got maybe 4 hours of sleep. I'm gonna drive 4 hours to Kennywood, just to look at Steel Curtain, because it's not open yet. Because I can't make it for opening day, but I'll make it next week. Not gonna lie, I was hoping for a soft opening, but I highly doubt that. But it would be cool to get some testing footage and ride some other stuff in the park. I guess it's gonna rain today a bit, so it might not pan out well. Oh well. Well, this is my first time seeing Steel Curtain up close, and yeah, it really kind of sucks outside right now, but it's super cool to see it. It's 2 days before Steel Curtain opens, and I don't know, it looks like they're doing some landscaping. In this weather though? Sheesh! There is no one in Kennywood right now. This is just not a great time. It's raining so much. There's actually a flash flood warning or watch or something. Yeah, there's not much happening. I was hanging out near the Steel Curtain construction site, and there was a construction worker like hanging out near around there too, like on the opposite side of the fence. We're actually in the construction site. I was just talking to him about what's happening with Steel Curtain. And he was like, yeah, it's definitely going to open on time. They basically did all the test runs that they need to do. It's ready to go. They're just doing like last minute work, I guess. He said it's going to be ready. I really wanted to get footage of test runs today. I don't think I'm going to because of the rain, unfortunately. And it sounds like they don't need to do anymore, like it's ready to go. And from the footage that I've seen that other people have done, it looks great. Yeah, whenever there's a break in the rain, I'm going to go back over there and check it out and get some more footage of the structure. It looks super dope. Can't wait to ride it next week. I'm here at this restaurant here in Kennywood, and there's like no one here. It's still super rainy. Steel Curtain is opening in 2 days, and Kennywood is flooding.